Welcome to the Unova Excel for HR course. In this chapter, we'll learn how to build a simple HR dashboard in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. To begin, open your Excel workbook that already contains employee data such as employee name, department, attendance percentage, and salary. Now insert a new worksheet and rename it as HR Dashboard. This sheet will remain empty for now and will be used only to display charts and summaries. Let's start by creating the first pivot table for headcount. Click on your employee data sheet and select any cell inside the data. Go to the Insert tab and click Pivot Table. Place the pivot table in an existing worksheet and choose HR Dashboard. Once the pivot table appears, drag Department into the Rows area. Drag Employee ID into the Values area. Excel automatically shows the employee count for each department. Now click anywhere inside this pivot table. Go to the Insert tab and select a column chart. This chart now visually represents department-wise headcount and becomes the first element of your dashboard. Next, let's add one more simple insight to the same dashboard. Click on your employee data sheet again and select any cell inside the data. Go to the Insert tab and click on Pivot Table. Choose to place this pivot table in the existing worksheet and select HR Dashboard. Once the pivot table appears, drag attendance percent into the Rows area. Now drag Employee ID into the Values area. Excel will automatically count how many employees fall under each attendance percentage. This helps HR understand how attendance is distributed across employees. Now click anywhere inside this pivot table. Go to the Insert tab and choose a line chart. This chart shows attendance trends at a glance. Now let's make the dashboard easy to filter. Click on any pivot table on the dashboard. Go to the Pivot Table Analyze tab and click Insert Slicer. Select Department and click OK. The slicer appears on the dashboard. Using the slicer, HR can filter the dashboard by department with a single click. Resize and move the slicer so it fits neatly on the dashboard. Finally, let's clean up the dashboard layout. At the top of the sheet, go to Insert, Text Box, and type HR Dashboard. This dashboard gives HR teams a quick visual view of key workforce metrics without scanning rows of data. That's it! You now know how to build a simple and structured HR dashboard in Microsoft Excel. In Unova HRMS, similar HR dashboards are already available in the Analytics module, where headcount, timesheet trends, and department insights are displayed automatically with built-in filters. Thank you for watching.